Hi everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today we're gonna be diving more into data sets. I know we've gone over a few topics already, just loading data sets in and a few other variations you can do. So today we're gonna be talking about describe. So the way you would implement that is just dot describe, and what this does is it basically just gives you for any numerical values in your data sets, it gives you the max, average, min, and all sorts of the standard deviation, all sorts of that. So just kind of, it's not in this order, but it's just basically what it gives you. Gives you the max of, let's say, in our case, the goals, maybe teams as well. So it's going to give you the max of those things, the min, average, and standard deviation. This kind of helps if you want to just find those certain things for certain data sets that you want to work with. So what I've done right now is I've already loaded up the World Cup one in here, the normal read CSV from our data sets, and then our actual CSV file, which is the World Cup. And from here, I'm just going to show you guys what describe does to the whole data set in general. So what I would do here is I would just go print. Completely spelled that wrong. So print and then World Cup dot describe and then parentheses s. So now we go down here. I ran it, and as you can see, it's just gonna give me all the columns that have numerical values, and it's gonna give me, like I said, the count of how many rows there are. It's going to give me the mean, STD, standard deviation, the min, 25, 50%, 75%. Those are like the top percentages of each column's main focus in a sense. And then it gives us the max at the very bottom. So from this, it's kind of cool because it kind of minimizes the data the way we kind of did in Melt or in another video where you're going to learn how to either make your data smaller if it's a wide data set, or if it's a like long data set, you can make it wider. This kind of does it for you. Like I said, normally just focuses on the numerical value. As you can see, my data set also does have like strings, which are the names of the teams and all of that, but it gets rid of that and just focuses on the numerical values. So here, the whole data set. So let's say I wanted to minimize this. Maybe I don't want to show everything, just certain things, because like year, that's not really that important. And we already have average goals in our data set. So maybe let's just focus on like the teams, matches played, and goals scored. So if I wanted to single that out, what I would do is I'd create, from my point of view, another variable. I'm going to just say WC for World Cup, just shorter. And then what I would do is I put in World Cup, and then I put double brackets. So this is basically going into my World Cup CSV file, and I'm going to split up what I want in a sense. So in here, I'm going to just put quotes, and I will put teams, then comma, then I'd put matches played. Spelled that wrong. So when you enter things here, you want to make sure it's exactly as it is in your CSV, or else you're going to run into an error and it's saying that this item doesn't show up in the CSV. So matches played and goals scored. Goals scored, boom. So I'm just creating a new variable with, in a sense, a data sheet that is specific to these categories. So in this variable WC, it's just going to give me the teams, matches played, and goals scored. But this also allows me to come here and I'm going to just do a simple print as a space so I can show you guys the difference. And then I'm going to do print once more and WC dot describe. And like I said, parentheses. And now if I go here, boom. So the first one is just a regular data set. It completely, like I said, got rid of the strings, columns with strings, and just gave us the numbers for the numerical values. And the second one, since I created that whole new variable with just these three things, it got rid of the years and the average goals per the World Cup, because I don't really want to focus on that since I already have the average and the years. we don't really care about a max year, an average year, or a mean year, you know? So here we just got the teams, matches played, and goals scored. And it just basically calculates everything that I had mentioned for you and just gives it to you in decimal values up to a certain point. And it just helps you minimize your data so you're not looking at wide variety of things. It kind of just simplifies it into like a single few columns that you really want to look at. So that's mostly what describe is. It just helps you minimize your data so that you can find numerical values that you're looking for. It's really helpful when you're doing, in a sense, experiments. Maybe you have a CSV file with a lot of experiments and you want to minimize or find your averages of certain data per row in a column. You can just use describe. You can create a new variable like I showed you guys with that specific column, and then just describe so you get that singular column if you'd like to. But yeah, this is describe. A little bit simple, not much to it, but it helps you really find data you're looking for. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.